Hello everyone, and welcome to the Prodigy Program Intro to Chess Crash Course. My name is Kairav Joshi, and I am the founder of ChessUniversity.com. In this first video, I would like to introduce you to chess and also overview this course. So what is chess? Well, chess is a two-player strategic board game in which the objective is to defeat the opponent's king, known as checkmate in chess. While almost everyone has heard of this game, few realize how popular it is. With an estimated 600 million players worldwide, chess is the most popular board game and intellectual sport. In fact, chess has a long and celebrated history with famous world champions, Olympiads, and matches that have taken place between some of the world's brightest minds in the last 200 years. So why is chess so popular? Well, in addition to being fun, chess is the ultimate mind game. Each chess game comes with its own set of puzzles and mysteries to solve, and it appeals to a wide range of individuals in unique ways. In fact, chess has been shown to have many educational benefits and can improve one's focus, memory, and concentration, as well as logical reasoning and deduction skills. Chess continues to be one of the world's most popular games because it can be enjoyed by players of all ages, regardless of their language or background, and can easily be played either in person or even online. Alright, let's now talk about this video course. ChessUniversity.com, the world's premier online chess academy, has produced this 20-part video series to help everyone learn chess. This course includes several hours of video instruction, as well as some worksheets and other written materials. This video course is meant for individuals of all ages and is suitable for first-time chess players, as well as beginners who still need to master the basics. Videos number 2 through 9 cover all the rules and fundamentals of chess. Videos number 10 through 15 cover chess notation, basic tactics, and calculation. And then finally, videos number 16 through 20 cover basic principles, checkmating patterns, and tips for further improvement. This Intro to Chess crash course is completely free and something we decided to create to help more people learn chess. We hope you learn a lot and enjoy the process. That's all for this intro video. So go ahead and open video number 2 to start learning how to play chess. Thanks for watching. Bye.